Time's now 9:45, and we are missing the bright lights, the beads, the toys, the trinkets of carnival parades, but we can take this opportunity for a little DIY fun. That's also a science experiment, but in disguise. We're getting some help from STEM Nola's Director of Education, Rebekah, Olinde, and Balseba Tewelde. She's a junior at Patrick Taylor Academy. So what are we making this morning?
So today we're going to be making some colorful paper spinners like we have right here.
Okay.
So in order to do this is an experiment that you can do just at home. You need some paper with a circle cut out and some markers, some string, some scissors, a glue stick, and a skewer.
Okay.
So first we're going to start out using the circle, and then we're going to color it with any color you'd like. This is one that I made at home. We're just going to cut it out, and then we're just going to glue it to the piece of cardboard. Just like so. Just like that. And so afterwards you just take the skewer, poke 2 holes through the middle, and then you're just going to take about 3 feet of the string and you're going to poke it through just like this one I have right here. And so the whole idea is just you're going to make it spin just like this. And so you're just going to pull and release. Pull and release.
And of course this is, I was going to say, of course this is a fun experiment, but it's supposed to be teaching something as well, right? And what are we learning from this project?
Yeah, right. So like we said, a color theory. So as we're doing it, the colors are actually blending together. And the reason behind that is our brains actually can't process those slivers of color at this speed. And so our brains instead end up blending them together. And so what we're seeing here is the blending of those different colors. You can see it has sort of a white color tone to it. And that's because when you blend together all of the colors of the rainbow, you get what we call white light.
Yeah,
I actually do. Miss Kelsey and the viewers at home, do you happen to know a big example of white light?
White light. I don't know an example of white light. Tell us what an example, I guess, in the universe or in the world? In the universe, white light.
So a really big example would be the sun. It's actually a combination of all the colors of the rainbow. People think that it's like yellow or red or orange, but it's actually white.
I did not know that. I just learned something new today. I appreciate that, and I'm keeping that fun fact for when I watch Jeopardy. I know it's going to come up one day. So that was a really fun experiment that you guys just did. That's going to bring color back into our lives while we're not having the parades we normally have. Are there any other STEM events coming up that you want families to know about?
Yes, actually, this Saturday we're going to be creating floats in honor of Mardi Gras. So we'll be looking at circuits and chemiluminescence and electroluminescence, and then riding our floats around. But we also have events every Thursday at 4 p.m. where students can log in from home and do fun, simple activities that help them learn about science and STEM. And then our next STEM Saturday is March 13th. And we'll be looking at math in honor of Pi Day. You can find all this information online at stemnola.com.
All right, we appreciate this experiment. I'm keeping that fact in my pocket. I know it's going to come up on Jeopardy one day, so I'm going to thank y'all when I win big on Jeopardy one day. Y'all have a wonderful weekend and a happy Mardi Gras.
Thank you so much for having us.
Well,
Not a problem. All right, time's now 9:49.